longitudes, different latitudes, different cultures, different time zones. One fabric, Dig Jam, dressing the world.
My own music video on my 2-megapixel autofocus K750i. True to life imaging. Now for rupees 13995 only. Sony Ericsson.
मेरी स्किन की कहानी एक्स्ट्रा सॉफ्ट मतलब नो रोना धोना। मुझे मिला नया डायना। इसमें है मिल्क, रोजेस और एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्चराइजर्स जो मुझे दे एक्स्ट्रा सॉफ्टनेस।
Dyna. Williams F1 team and Tata Racing, scorching tracks around the world. Tata Racing, no one drives India faster.
Welcome back. The latest on Pramod Mahajan's condition. We're hearing that the surgical procedure that's been performed on him is complete and has apparently been successful. Srinivasan Jain has more on that. Vasu, what are you hearing?
Well, pretty much just that. I mean, Prakash Javadekar of the BJP, who's also been asked to brief the media about all of this, has just come out and told journalists that the procedure is over and the procedure has been successful and that there will be an official medical briefing soon. So I think that's really the sum and substance of it. Nidhi?
All right,
Srinivasan Jain, thanks very much for joining us. Some tentative positive news at this stage. The surgical procedure has been successful on Pramod Mahajan. More details coming up in a while. For now, let's move on now to another one of our feature stories. And you've heard of blogging and how Indian bloggers have made their presence felt in cyberspace. Well, now they're making their voices heard through podcasting. If you're wondering what podcasting's all about, well, it's got something to do with your iPods.
They're the latest must-haves. That's if you've got the money and the mind for it. iPods are bringing to India the global trend of podcasting.
IndieFeed. Brought to you in part by IODA.
Hey, it's Chris here. I'm at a Panera.
Hello, and welcome to the podcast edition of Times Talks, the New York Times.
That's enough to get a show going, like a little bit of cheesy game show music. That is from Match Game.
A podcast or a broadcast for your iPod is a pre-recorded talk show or a piece of music that you can watch or listen to on your iPod. What differentiates it from other forms of internet-based media is that podcasting allows you to carry the recording with you. Except for what's copyrighted, it's all free and can be downloaded from websites like audioblog.com, podcastdirectory.com or Apple's iTunes software. As the prices of iPods have fallen, a section of young urban Indians are increasingly learning how they can do more with their iPods than just listen to music. A natural progression perhaps from blogging.
Welcome to IndieCast episode number 17.
And it's about 5 p.m. here in Pune and it's 37 degrees out here. I'm sweating like a dog.
Oh my god.
And finally I'm able to sell a few more ACs than before. तो बहुत थोड़ा खुश है मेरे पे.
Aditya and Abhishek host a highly rated talk show that can be downloaded from their website, theindicast.com. There's this Says a very Bombaya podcast that talks about everything from Sanya to Sonia. They launched the site 7 months ago and since then have managed nearly 300 listeners per podcast. If you tuned in, what you would hear would go something like this.
Abhishek, you know what's happening here. India loses to a mediocre England team. First we start out with almost losing in Nagpur, then we somehow manage to win at Mohali, and then we lose at Wankhede where Sachin was booed at his home ground. So what's happening here? क्या हो रहा है यार?
I know he scored 34 after I guess 34 long months, and that's why the crowd and the पक गया था यार, सब लोग पक गया था पूरा.
So, but then it is exactly opposite of what South Africans and Australians are, right?
Australia and South Africa, how did we miss that? Australia scoring 434 runs, South Africa winning it with 1 ball to spare, 1 run to go. The only thing is, someone up there like a Dravid or a Sachin, who guys have been playing for so many years, they have to set an example at least once. मतलब इतने साल से खेल रहे हैं, not once have we gone on with 1 day to go and 300 runs to win. अपन कभी we haven't gone on to win the match. We've always settled for a draw. क्यों? Because we play not to win, but so that we don't lose the match, that's all. So either we draw it or we lose it.
Podcasting is relatively simple. All it takes is a little bit of effort, a free downloadable software, and if you're up to spending 500 rupees a year, you can even own your website. If not, you can just borrow space on sites like Podbazaar and Podcast Directory.
There's no barrier to entry in the podcasting arena. Anyone can make a podcast, anyone can upload it, and people will listen to it, and if people like it, people will leave you feedback.
Viewers and listeners can respond to a podcast by leaving messages on the podcaster's website.
I was pretty skeptical. He said, why would people invest the 15 minutes क्यों निकालेंगे just to listen to 2 guys talking about regular issues? But we were surprised when we got the comments.
As Indians increasingly begin to log on to the internet, podcasting comes as the latest tool after a wave of blogging for Indians to shout out their point of view into cyberspace. And when the numbers are increasing, economics can't be far away.
At least that's what Ruchita Gupta is hoping. This Bangalore-based housewife runs her own podcast called Podmasti.com, a podcast that's aimed largely at the NRI listener. Right now, Ruchita makes just under 90 rupees a month through ads on her website, but she hopes to someday make much more.
So it's Sathi.com, that's a matrimonial website. So they are, we have tied up with them. They give us, we give them a slot. So they ask us to promote their profile on the web. So whenever I'm podcasting on each show, like in the beginning of the show or at the end of the show, I give that particular slot to them saying that this program is sponsored by so and so thing. So they pay us for that.
So what are you waiting for? From the New York Times, The Guardian, to Indie Rock, to alternative funk and chutney pop, the world's out there waiting for you to download and plug in. With Darayas Tarapurwala in Bangalore, in Mumbai, Prasad Ramamurthy for NDTV.
Podcasting, the new craze there. You're with NDTV 24/7. There's a lot more coming up.
Thanks for watching.
India This Week, brought to you by Sri Lanka, Small Island, Big Trip. We empower small and medium enterprises. SIDBI. Reliance Hello, नए ज़माने का फोन. Onida flat ACs for powerful cooling even in extreme heat.